So here's my best 1-minute sales pitch on my new book, Essential Joinery. The book comes out in March, and it's a very laser-focused look at the 5 different categories of joinery that I think are the most important for fine woodworking. And within those categories, we'll break down the various joints that you can make and how to make them. If you want to pre-order a copy, if you order from us specifically by January 16th, you get a pre-order bonus. And that bonus is a free guild project at the Wood Whisperer Guild. So it's a huge deal because those projects are like 3 times as much as the cost of the book, but because it's, I own the business, I can do what I want, and I would like to bribe you guys to buy my new book. So head over to the Guild site, you can pre-order the book, just pick your free project from the drop-down, and you get your free project right away because it's digital, and that's the magic of digital. All right, so thank you for your support, everybody who buys a copy of the book, and if you see this after the 16th, I apologize. You could still pre-order, but you won't get that special bonus, so don't delay. All right, thanks everybody for the support. Talk to you later.